Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Painted Fire Gaming. So, I just did a video and I recorded that. So, we're back for another video. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cool paper airplane. So, what you want to do first? Okay, I'm going to have to. Okay. So there we go. Fold. Totally messed that up. And my camera fell down. Got it folded to death. Let's open this up. You're basically doing exactly what a paper airplane is. You're gonna fold this to the middle line crease. Oh, this is bad video editing. I'll be getting so soon, guys. I'll be doing videos with Bendy TV, maybe puppet streams too. Maybe Chance and Omen would tape it. But go subscribe to all of them. They awesome. So here we go. So now you have that. So now what you want to do is you want to go to the tip of this one side and like that. And then I found out how to make this. I didn't watch a YouTube video or anything. I just found out how to make this from one of my friends. I'm not gonna name his name because I don't know if his name can be on YouTube. So there we go. We are basically done with this. Yeah. Let's get that. And then basically, actually, I'm gonna have to do this. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it down on that crease line, and then crease that again. Just make sure it's good. There we go. So like this, you're gonna make it like this. Pretty simple, and make it like this. So now, what you want to do that. Fold the wings down, and then you want to do if I can get it to turn. There we go. And there we go. You have your paper airplane. We're over there. They did good. Let's see. There's a charming ring. There we go. Yeet. Got it. Oh, it's such gonna be the end of my video. Hope you guys do like the video. Subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Gucci. I'm sorry. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.